Hello everyone, I'm Meghna, Student Placement Coordinator at NIE. Today I'm going to discuss about problems on ages. There are always questions from this topic in your placement tests, interviews or any other entrance exams. So there's no specific formula to solve these kind of problems. All you need is to construct an equation, solve it and then you'll be able to find the answer. It's a bit tricky and confusing in the beginning, but if you read the question carefully and analyze it, you'll be able to solve the questions easily. So there's some important things you'll have to remember. So, okay, if the current age is x, then n times age is n into x. If the current age is x, then n years later or hence, the age will be x plus n. Say example, if the current age is 18 years, so after 5 years, your age will be 18 plus 5. The same way, if the current age is x, then age n years ago is x minus n. And if ages are in ratio a is to b, then the ages will be ax and bx. You have to multiply to the common factor. If the current age is x, then 1 by nth of age is x by n. So we'll solve a few problems related to these. The first problem: sum of ages of 5 children born at the intervals of 3 years each is 50 years. What is the age of the youngest child? So they've given the sum of ages of 5 children. The interval between the ages is 3 years and the sum is 50 years. So we'll have to find what the age of the youngest child is. So we can consider the ages as x, x plus 3, x plus 6, x plus 9 and x plus 12. So given the sum of ages of these 5 children is 50 years. So x plus 3 plus x plus 6, x plus 9 plus x plus 12 is 50 years. So this is 5x plus 3 plus 6, 9 plus 12 is plus 30 is equal to 50 years. So 5x is equal to 15 minus 30, x is equal to 4. So the age of the youngest child is 4 years. Let's solve the next problem. Present age of x and y are in the ratio 5:4 respectively. 3 years hence, the ratio of the ages will become 11:9 respectively. What is y's present age in years? So they've given the ratio of x and y, the present age of x and y in some ratio, and 3 years later the ratios will become 11 and 9. So we have to find what is y's present age in years. So let present ages of x and y be 5a and 4a. Since the given ratios, we have to consider a common factor between them. And 3 years hence is 3 years later. So you'll have to add 3 to both of them. So 5a plus 3 and 4a plus 3. So the ratios is 11:9 after 3 years. So 5a plus 3 divided by 4a plus 3 is equal to 11 by 9. So 9 into 5a plus 3 is equal to 11 into 4a plus 3. So it is 45a minus 44a is equal to 33 minus 27. So the common factor a is 6. So since they have asked us to find the present age in years, we will have to multiply it by 4. 4 into a. So present age of 5 is 4a, that is 24. We're multiplying it with 4 because they've given the ratio as 5:4. For y it is 4 into a. So if in case they asked age of x, you should have multiplied it with 5. 5 into a. So it is 5 into 6, 30. So the next problem. A's father was 38 years of age when she was born, while her mother was 36 years of age when her brother, 4 years younger to her, was born. What is the difference between ages of her parents? So, A's father was 38 years of age when she was born, and her mother was 36 years of age when her brother, 4 years younger to her, was born. So, we can consider mother's age when A's brother was born. They've given it as 36. So father's age at the same time will be 38 plus 4, that is 42. So we just have to calculate the difference now. 42 minus 36 is equal to 6. Or you can solve it the other way around also. We can take it as father's age when A was born. So father's age when A was born is 38. Now mother's age at the same time, when we're considering when A was born. So that is 36 minus 4 now. So that is 32. Now you will get the same answer anyway. So 38 minus 32, the difference between them is 6. We'll move to the next problem. Sum of present ages of father and his son is 60 years. 6 years ago, father's age was 5 times the age of the son. After 6 years, son's age will be. So we can consider present age of son as x and father's as 60 minus x, since the sum is 60. Present age of son and father is x and 60 minus x respectively. Since they've given their sum is 60 years, so you can consider it as x plus y equals to 60. Y is father's age, so 60 minus x. Y is 60 minus x. So now since they've given 6 years ago, when it is 6 years ago, you have to subtract it from both the ages. So it is x minus 6 and 60 minus x minus 6. So this is their age 6 years ago. So the next part of the problem is 6 years ago father's age was 5 times the age of the son. So 60 minus x minus 6 is equal to 5 into x minus 6. So this becomes 5 times the age of the son. So if you solve this equation, you will find the answer. So it is 54 minus x is equal to 5x minus 30. X is equal to 14. You'll have options like 14, 20, 25, all those things, but be careful. They've asked after 6 years what is the age of the son. So what you'll have to do is x plus 6. After 6 years, what is the age of the sun? So add 6 to x, you'll find the age of the sun. So it is 14 plus 6 equals to 20. So make sure to choose 20 and not 14. Thank you.